Hello everyone. So I'll be driving you through the driver's app. Let's get into the app. First we'll have to enter the right phone number. So now the app is asking for the OTP authentication and I get the OTP and I enter and sign in. So once we go into the app, so we get these many fields: driver's name, dashboard, pickup, drop, and logout. Dashboard shows me how much how many cases assigned for pickup, how many is completed, how many cases assigned for drop, out of that how many is completed. To check these vehicles, we'll have to click on this pickup bucket, as well as to check this vehicle of drop we'll have to click on drop bucket. So let's start with the pickup workflow to understand the driver's app. So we have these many customers for which we'll have to do the pickup. But if you can see here, out of these many customers, we have few customers for which all the pickup is done, and we can see that through a green highlighted color on the data, and which also states it is success on the top right. So if you can see in this, Abdul and Babu Rajan are the cases for which the pickup is already disposed as success, and we have Rashi Koyan for which we have disposed it as no answer. So let's take the customer Paviza Mul. So I just click on this customer. So I get these many details here, where if I want to see the customer's detail, I can just click on the customer's detail tab, and I get the registration number, phone number, customer's name. If I want to dial the customer's number, I can click on the call icon. So if I want to see the appointment info made by the CRE and by which CRE this appointment was made, and to call this CRE, I can just click on this call icon and I get these many details of this customer's appointment. If I want to see the driver's interaction on this case, I can just see with the click, and for this case, as of now, the driver has not done any of the disposition. So if I want to upload any image or a document of the customers, I can just click. Now let's do a sample click of my image as customers document, and I just give it as service and type it as test, and it's submitted. So now let's start the pickup workflow. So in the start, if a customer is not receiving my call, or if I don't want to start this customers, I can just right away give it as no, and I can select the valid reason. If it is no, what are the reasons for that? If it is not interested, what are the reasons for that as well? And if it is a reschedule, I have to select date followed by time and comments. So let's start this customer for pickup. So I'll just start with giving yes, and if I can see here, now I got one more extra field here which says that ongoing, which shows me the ongoing task current ongoing task. So if I just click on this customer, so this was the customers for which I have just disposed it as start pickup. And if I just go to the pickup bucket, I can see that there is one data which is blinking, and that is the data for which I have just started the pickup. So unknowingly, if I just click on other customers, and I get this suggestion from the app saying that please complete the ongoing task. So let's directly go with the task and just click on this reached pickup. That means that I have reached the customer's place for a pickup. I'll have to enter these many fields here: update, demanded, repair. So let's assume that the customer says that front there is a dent, and I can update the mileage here. And SDD, same day deliver required, yes. Payment is collected for this customer, yes. And I have to just enter the amount and go with the referral number as test, and I just give it as test again for the CREs or driver's remarks, and to just upload an image of a payment which has been collected from a customer. Again, I'll just take a sample image of my system to show you that, and I just give submit. So I've done with the payment collected uh, field. So I'll just click on the add inventory list. So once after just clicking, I have done adding the inventory list. Now I'll have to click the I'll have to take the car's image. So front view, back view, dashboard, right side, left side, and if there is any other image which I wanted to take. So let's take one image as a sample to just right away upload it as a front image of a car. So I can just view here where the image which was just taken, it is reflecting there. If I want to upload a policy of insurance, or if I just want to select that from my file, systems file or mobile file, I can just do that here and I can give it as submit. So once after entering these details, we have done entering the details and it is ready for a pickup. So I'll just give it as yes. So now we have this ongoing task again, which will be ended once I have completely taken the vehicle from customer's place and have reached the workshop. So this is the final workflow which says that have reached the workshop, and I'll have to enter with few of the things saying that what is the gate in time, what is the mileage after gate in, who is the service advisor. So let's take it as test advisor, and I'll have to upload the image again once after reaching the workshop. So I'll again take my system image as car's rear image. So it's done. So I'll submit this case. Once after submitting this, the ongoing task will says that it is asking that did you deliver the vehicle to the workshop. I give yes, and finally if I can see the dashboard loads and give me the count of total assigned was 5 pickup, and out of that 5 cases 5 is completed. Now to check that, where I'll have to go is to just click on this pickup bucket, and I can see here the last customer which was not attempted, now it is in green highlighted color saying that it is a success. Now if I want to see the driver interaction which was not attempted that time, now it is saying that it is success. So similarly, let's go to a drop workflow. So here we have two customers, out of which for one customer was not reachable when the driver tried to drop the vehicle. So let's try now with this customer. What I'll have to do is that first we'll have to check the vehicle before delivering it to the customer. So I'll have to check the mileage, I'll have to add the inventory list, I'll have to again take the image of a car before delivering it to the customer from the workshop. So I just select it as a right image, and we'll have to click on the job card invoice. So I'll just select the image which was there in my phone and I'll give it as submit. So now again we get this ongoing task, and which says that in the drop out of two data, I'm having one data which is blinking, which indirectly says that this is the customers for which I'll have to which was there as an ongoing customer. So let's start a drop for a customer's place of his vehicle, and I just give it as start drop. So once after clicking this again, so I've reached the customer's place from the workshop. So I've reached the location and I'll say that payment is not collected. Let's enter this inventory list, and I'll enter the car image again after reaching the customer's place. So I've just clicked and I'll give it as okay, and now it is other image, and which was a test image. And now app is asking or giving a approval link for a customers to take the vehicle. So I have just asked the app to send the approval link to the customer. Once the customer receives the approval link, so finally the customer click on the approval link and I get this delivered disposition which says that finally the vehicle is delivered. Now which the app again takes us to the dashboard to say that how many case was there in the drop, and out of that how many is converted or completed. So if I just click on this drop bucket again, I can see that there are two of the vehicles which is already been delivered to the customer's place. So if I want to see one more workflow which is there, that is, let's go to the pickup bucket and just give start pickup, and let's assume that this customer, once after reached pickup after entering, he is not receiving my call. So I'll have to click on this cancel trip, and I'll have to give valid reason. The customer finally picks the call and tell that he is not interested to take the to ask the driver to take his vehicle since the cost is too high. So let's go back to the same so if you can see here, this customer Rashi, we have just disposed this case as not interested. So if I can go to driver interaction, and it is saying that this customer was not interested. And this is all about the driver app, and let's log out. Thank you.